Hi friends, this is the bonus spelling test for Unit 22. Make sure your name's on your paper. I'm going to read the word to you, use it in a sentence, and then say the word again. So this will go quickly. You might want to pause in between each word. All right, here we go. Word number 1, sprout. The seeds we planted are just starting to sprout. Sprout. Number 2, cloudy. The sky today is very cloudy. Cloudy. Number 3, count. You can count all the times that we have taken spelling tests. Count. Number 4, growl. If you try to take Bristol's food away while she's eating, she will growl at you. Growl. Number 5, browse. It's nice to go in a brand new store and just browse. Browse. Number 6, sound. The sound of the wind makes my dog scared. Sound. Number 7, house. Do you want to come to my house after school? House. Number 8, shower. We had a brief rain shower this morning. Shower. Number 9, allow. Your teacher does not allow cheating on a spelling test. Allow. Number 10, vowel. A vowel is a letter in a word. Vowel. Okay, that completes the spelling word portion. Now I'm going to give you your 3 dictation sentences. Sentence number 1, it is loud when you shout out. Sentence 2, our town is big and fun. Sentence 3, the cow went down to our pond. Okay, make sure you have your name on your paper. Double check, rewind, listen again to any words or sentences that you need. And I hope you did well.